Hello everybody, this is Den Usa, and we're finally doing it. We are cooking dinner on our new stove, and we're in the middle of nowhere. And we're going to have cauliflower chickpea salad with beef fajitas, and we got sushi. And we have margaritas. So I know it's quite the mix, but it's going to be really good. Alright, I got to get back to cooking here. I got plenty of light. Yeah, Evelyn's coming over to be the light bearer. Whoops. Anyway, so yeah, check this out. Yeah, I know this looks like a whole complete disaster, but we're at least going to be able to cook. If you want to start just slowly mixing that. That was a great idea, Evelyn. Alright, I'm going to shut this off. I'm going to hold the light for Evelyn so she can cook.